Waziri wa CHISEMI Julius OGAMBA nigagokera gitambukiro gia serikali asokobwaterana na Malaysia ili gotingia ebirengo bya CHISEMI okwana mu Prime Minister o Malaysia ya Abdato Seri nigo airera obuya bwa CHISEMI asogoseria obutaka na KOENEKIA aborokirwa abange baria bakorwa asechinka kitali kwenyara nigo bakonyekire gwetera CHISEMI asokwenyorera amabaga yemerimo oigo nigo OGAMBA ainekebuna aborokiwa nigo barenyorere scholarship asichiskuru ilio konyora amaigerio ayo arabega kubakonya asama tukabusyo.
Permit me at the outset to express our deep appreciation to Education Malaysia Global Services and the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia for partnering with our Ministry of Education Kenya in convening this important forum. This collaboration underscores the enduring friendship and growing partnership between Kenya, Malaysia, and the wider African region. Kenya and Malaysia enjoy warm and long-standing bilateral relations founded on shared values of mutual respect, cooperation, and a common vision for development. In the field of higher education, our collaboration has grown steadily, marked by student exchanges, academic partnerships, and policy dialogue between our institutions. Indeed, we are looking forward to conducting and concluding a memorandum of understanding in higher education and Tibet between our two nations.
There's no way we can emerge and be more successful without that social mobility. Malaysia had some very effective affirmative policies and programs. There are excesses when it comes to business operations. You allow for people who are probably less qualified or incompetent. So there has been, of course, this critical debate, polemics on affirmative action. But in terms of education, no question. The children from the poorest communities have emerged as new professionals, engineers, doctors, teachers because of the opportunity given in education. So to my mind, it is not only in terms of acquisition of knowledge, but also to ensure that there is this mobility, the social mobility, and to close the inequity, and the gap within the ruling elite